Good day, traders. Look at the following quickly bulletin, or BIL. You need to trade with course. If you look at this specific share, it could be a long trade. Entry at level of 204 Rand. Take profit 219.07. Stop loss 199.50. If you go for 60 trades, you look at most probably a deposit requirement from about 1,700. Your risk is about 408 Rand and your profitability is 759, and you still get a 1 to 2 ratio here. So even if you go for 50 shares, let's see what the ratios is. Still good. Let's go look at the trade quickly while we're looking at this. There's opportunity on a 4-hour chart. This share is coming down with momentum. It's starting to evaluate here for a possibility of a breakup happening here. So if you look at this, it might break up from this lows, getting up again to here to the 218 to 19 levels, and that's why we use this low level of 199.50 as a stop loss. Possible breakup here, possible breakup here as well. So look at this negative channel with the hope that this share is now at the bottom, and we might see a bit of momentum coming in. And that is why we use a tight stop loss of about 199.50 with the hope it will break up to the 119 levels here. So trade, keep track of the share and the momentum. It's very important.